right, now shifting focus over to the AQI in the national capital. Breaking inputs coming in where we are learning is that GRAP 3 has been lifted from Delhi. The AQI of Delhi, which was recorded at 380 yesterday, has significantly improved and recorded 236 today at 4 p.m. This, of course, has exhibited now a declining trend, which has now, in fact, also encouraged the government to remove GRAP 3. Let's quickly take this forward with Simran, who brings us those breaking inputs. Simran, the biggest and the most immediate question that comes to mind, is it a tad bit too early to lift GRAP 3 at the moment?
Well, that's a valid question indeed at this point of time, given the kind of situation that's been unfolding in context of the increasing AQI in the national capital, given how the AQI has also been soaring for the past few days after the stage 4 of the graded response action plan was revoked. But now here's the thing, that after the stage 3 of the GRAP 4 has been revoked, the ban on the construction and demolition activities which were non-essential, that has also been lifted. Along with that, there is the entry of the BS3 petrol and the BS4 diesel vehicles that will also be allowed in the national capital, with all of these restrictions now being uplifted and also allowed as well at this point of time. The bigger question is that what are the measures that have been providing a relief in keeping the AQI at par or not in the severe category? Well, that's a question that is completely not answered in any context, as right now the AQI is around 200 or 300 inching towards that, and as we progress towards the closing time of the office hours, the AQI is likely to increase during that time before the night comes. While the AQI in the morning itself is also going to give us a testimony of how exactly the air quality after the stage 3 is being revoked and after these restrictions are being uplifted is going to be in the national capital. There has been a history, Akansha, in the past few days as well, where within a few days the revocation has been again in fact reversed, and then the stage 3 or stage 4 are then implemented. But right now the larger question is, was there an essential need for doing so, or this is done to also expect that there could be a better relief in the coming days? Well, that's for the CAQM or the Delhi Environment Department to answer, and only in the days to come we are going to get some clarity on how exactly this kind of move has been for the people of Delhiites who continue to breathe this toxic air. Back to you.
Many thanks to you, Simran, for bringing us all those inputs. We will have to see if this declining trend that has emerged today continues or not. And with that, quick